Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some Valentine DIYs. I really like how these turned out and I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Hello friends, so today for my floral topiary, it's a rose topiary. I will be using one of the Dollar Tree foam balls. I'm only using one to come in a pack. The next item from Dollar Tree I will be using is one of their clay pots. Right now they are on sale. Not on sale. Right now they are carrying them, but the one I'm using is from last year. I did paint it using the truffle paint from the brand Waverly. I'm also using a Dollar Tree dowel, and this is long, so I am going to cut about 2 inches off. For the roses, I'm using 2 of the Dollar Tree pics. I'm going to just remove all the roses off and the leaves. I am using the leaves as well. I'm going to add the roses here and there, but I'm using hot glue to secure them some more. Even after trying to spread them evenly, you can still see a lot of the white, but that is where I put the leaves. That is going to help it cover. Also, at the bottom where I'm going to add the stick, I didn't add a rose and I added leaves instead. And to be honest, you can't even tell. It's totally up to you if you want to do that, or you can just use 3 picks instead and fill the whole thing with roses instead of using the leaves. But I think it looks really pretty with the roses and the leaves. You gotta let me know down in the comment section, what do you think? Now I'm adding the leaves where you can see some of the white, and as you can see I am holding it from the bottom, and that is where I didn't add a rose. So I will be adding like 3 leaves down there, and to be honest you can't even tell. I'll show you in a minute. And this is where I added several of the leaves. So this will be the bottom. Once I turned it around, you're not going to be able to see them. So now I'm going to start working on the stand. And for the stand, like I said, I did use a clay pot. This comes from Dollar Tree to come in a pack. I am reusing mine. And I did paint that in the color truffle from the brand Waverly. I am also using leftover floral foams, and I'm going to just fill in the pot using all of those. As you can see, they do come in handy. I like saving these because you just never know. Once I am done filling that in, I'm going to add a whole bunch of glue and then add the dowel. As you can see, I did reuse the foam, so that's why it has a hole. And I ended up adding some more for it to stand up straight and don't move because of the other hole it had there. Now it's time to add the rose ball to the dowel, and I am using some hot glue to glue it, and I did push the ball inside, like maybe half of it into the ball. As you can see, some of the leaves are falling. That is because I didn't add some hot glue to those, but I did go back and add some hot glue. And for the stand, I'm using some pebbles to cover the foam. To decorate this some more, I'm going to use this beautiful, beautiful ribbon that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to make double bows and add them to the pot. And that is it for this rose topiary. I think it turned out beautiful and it is perfect for this Valentine's. You can use this as a decor or even as a gift. For my next DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree placemat and this decor. I lost the footage to where I cut out the love part and I removed the back of this decor. I also removed the realistically called or whatever it said there, and I had to sand that down because it is like a I don't know how to explain. I think it's like a little metal, but then it had paper underneath. Now I'm going to glue the placemat on top of that, and I'm using hot glue to glue this. To match the rest of my decor, I'm going to add the ribbon there. This is also going to cover the uneven because as you can see, I didn't cut the placemat evenly. And I'm going to glue ribbon at the top and bottom. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to place it back in the frame. And I thought I needed to use hot glue, but it turns out I didn't because when I added the ribbon, it did make it like thicker. So now I had to just push it down and it stayed there. To finish this off, I'm going to add this heart in the O. And look how beautiful this turned out. I absolutely love this and it matches the rest of my decor. For my next DIY, I will be using another Dollar Tree decor. I'm going to remove the plastic and also remove the frame it has in the front. The frame is made out of like a cardboard or paper, something like that. It is very thin. I did use a knife to just remove it. There were still some little pieces left over, so I had to use a sand sheet to remove them. Now that it's nice and smooth, I'm going to just trace the sign to my paper, and this is a burlap paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby when they were 4 for $1. It looks like burlap, but it's just paper. And I'm going to cut it. Before I glue it though, I do want to paint the sides using white. Using my Elmer's glue stick, I'm going to glue the paper. This glue stick is in the craft section. It's not a regular school glue. You can use Mod Podge. I just don't like using Mod Podge. I don't know, it's just personal preference. But once this is nice and glued, I'm going to add these cute hearts. These are some hearts made out of grapevine, and oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I was so surprised when I seen these at Dollar Tree. I will be using 2, 5 come in a pack. Now the next thing I'm going to add is this heart ribbon, and this is from Dollar Tree. I just wanted this to match the rest of my decor, so I'm going to add some of the ribbon on each side. And this is how it looks once the ribbon is glued. This sign can be made vertical or horizontal, whatever you prefer. And I chose to do mine vertical. Or wait, is this horizontal? I'm not sure, but I chose to do it like this. Before I add the glue, before I add the hearts, I'm going to make 2 small bows using this Dollar Tree ribbon. And once I am done making the little bows, I'm going to glue the bows to the hearts, then add the hearts to the sign. And that is it, guys. I think this decor turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You gotta let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite. I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So until next time, bye.